In this video, I'll show you how to customize your lock screen on iPhone running iOS 26. Tap and hold the lock screen for 2 seconds. Customize lock screen wallpaper. You can change the color on the lock screen. You can add widgets. Again, you can customize your lock screen wallpaper with any other image you like. You can customize the style and color of your clock. And you can change the color of your app icon.